Reputation Blues, Part 14 and a half. I've seen a lot of cities and places foreign in the 25 years since I was born. I've been up and down and I've been here and there, but I've never seen no place like Inisheer. It's not like Longford City Centre. So early one morning when the sky was blue, I went out walking for a mile or two, and the sun was beating on the boats and the birds. I took out a wee book of Irish words. I said, there's a file on it. Well, it's etched on. Better put my glasses on. So I put my glasses on and I saw 6 big hefty German lassies. We're going up to see the Plassy, we're not walking, that's too far. So I went to the man with the Jarvey car, with the Jarvey car, the Jarvey car. We're going for a ride in the Jarvey car. How much? Each. Well, the poor old mare, she stood and groaned. The smallest there, she was 15 stone, but they paid their money and off they went as best they could with the axle bent. And the poor old mare, she come to the hill. There she stopped and she stood still with her 2 eyes bulging out of her head. Feck this for a lark, she said. Might I remind you that in fact, sir, I'm a horse, not a tractor. You can pull them, I don't care. I'm on strike, said the poor old mare. Well, fair enough, said the driver, so they're too stout, then out they go. So he took a big stick and he drove them all out. This I heard from the horse's mouth. Left them standing in the middle of the road. I had a head bent down, I was trying to sneak on by. One of them fixed me with her beady little eye. She said, hi, I'm Helga. Australia. Said, me hollow haller at your service. She said, I've got a question here for you. Said, I'll give you an answer. It might not be true. I think I know what this question is going to be. She said, what do you do in the wintertime? I said, I'm glad you asked me that. We muddle on through, there's lots to do. Well, yes, I tell you, like what? I said, well, said there's oil drilling, beer swilling, pothole filling, cheese grilling, and there's name dropping and gossip swapping and island hopping and window shopping and life changing, flower arranging and bodybuilding and planting children and pencil pairing in the old armchair. It's cold out there, it's the winter time. I call my wife, God bless her soul, and send her out to get some coal. She said, oh yeah? You like role reversal? There's the pencil, knock yourself out. So I'm out there walking on the rocky old road, but the rain came down by a full bucket load. I was miles from nowhere cursing my luck. I looked in my book and my book said fluck. Fluck botches and all. There was no place to run and no place to hide. It was coming in from every conceivable side. I was drenched, drowned, and battered and beat. What kind of rain comes up from beneath? Just not natural. It was all up my nostrils and all down my back and trickling into my builder's crack. Up my nose, into my shoes. I had to hide under one of them Aran Island canoes. I'm going current my ass. It's just fiberglass. I was getting very disillusioned. So all this water was dripping on me. I took off my glasses, I still couldn't see. I was deaf, dumb, and 3 parts blind. I cursed all before me and I cursed all behind me. Inisheer. Yeah, I'm frozen out here. 5 minutes later, the skies grew clear, and I'm standing there steaming with my head feet flat, going, good God Almighty, what the hell was that? It must be some kind of freak weather conditions. I knew I should have gone to Inish Man. Inisheer, Inisheer, she won't let me leave. I fell in love with the heart in her sleeve. But if you want to go there, take my advice. If you want to go walking when the weather looks nice, bring a hard hat, some waterproof long johns, maybe a 2-way radio. Get yourself an Aran pullover. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to knit myself one someday.